So guys, in this particular video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to customize my 2x6 lace closure from this with lace. Okay, how you can easily customize yours without the need to get or purchase the already customized one in the market, and not just how to customize it, how you can equally ventilate it in a way that you can easily part it anyhow you want. Okay, the pattern I'm going to show you guys in this video, when you make use of that pattern to ventilate your closure or your frontals, you can easily part it anyhow. You can part it center parting, side parting, C curve. It's just basically anyhow you want. If you want to have a closure that you can easily, no matter the size of the closure, or a frontal that you can easily part freely anyhow you want to part it, then this is the pattern you should consider. So stick with me to the end of the video where I'm going to show you guys everything from A to Z. So my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe, please consider doing that. So moving forward, I just have to secure the already customized 2x6 lace closure. Remember, like I said, you can use any size of closure you prefer. I have to secure it on my mannequin head with a pin. If you don't know how I was able to customize this closure, please stick with me to the end of this video. I'm going to tell you guys how I did that. So getting my hair now, I have to comb it so I will get a smooth ride while I'm venting. Then getting my ventilation pin, I'm going to start right after our center parting. Okay, like I said, I drafted out this size of closure from a Swiss myself. I'm still going to tell you guys how I was able to do that. Do not skip any part of this video. So I went on a line and I skip a line. Remember, this pattern I'm showing you guys is a pattern you can use when you want to easily part your closure, not just center parting, not side parting, C curve, V curve, anything you want. When I'm done with the first line, coming to the second one, I'm going to be skipping, venting on the lines I skipped. I don't know if you guys understand, but if you watch closely, you understand what I'm trying to say. This pattern is called the in-between line pattern of ventilation. I've already done a detailed video on how to do this pattern. In this case, I'm skipping just one hole. Check the comment section. Okay, I will drop the link to that particular video in the comment section. So coming again, I'm going to be skipping the lines I ventilated while doing the second line, and then vent on the one I skipped, which will now match the first set of lines we did. Okay, I mean the first set of holes we did, sorry. Okay, so just make sure the hairs are falling in between each other. They are not diagonal to each other, they are not vertical to each other, rather they are in between each other. Okay, when you are done with your first line, coming to the second line, this time around, the lines you skipped while you are venting this first line is where you are going to be ventilating. Just like that, you continue that way. So guys, coming again, I'm going to be venting on the lines I skipped. If you watch closely, you see that the hairs are in between each other. This pattern of ventilation is called the in-between line pattern of ventilation. when you vent with this pattern, either your frontal or your closures. And this pattern can be used when you want to make your closures for your hairs, like you want to use it to wig your hair, or your frontals when you want to make a frontal wig. You can as well use it when you want to braid. Okay, if you want that most natural look braided wig, then you should go ahead and use this pattern. It consumes a lot of time because in actual sense you are not skipping any line, you are venting all the lines. That's what it actually means. Then it's there for you to decide whether you want to skip a hole or you want to skip two holes. Okay, so it take your time, but you love the outcome. So guys, the most important thing here is to make sure that the hairs are falling in between each other. If you can't go double, like you can't go 2 2, you can just go it vent line after line. Like when you're done with the first line, you move over to the second one. But if you can control 2 lines or 3 lines, I think you guys saw me do that. I was controlling 2 lines at once. If you can do that, fine. But if you are still practicing, okay, I will suggest you go line after line. Like when you are done with the first line, you move over to the second line. Because going to 2 lines at once, you might get confused. So guys, keep watching. I'm just managing to do this voice over. For days now, I've not been feeling too well. That's why I've not uploaded any video. You guys should please pardon me. Just keep watching. Alright. When it's necessary for me to explain more, I will do that. Thank you. So guys, with this pattern now, when you use this pattern to vent your closure, no matter the size of the closure or frontal, you can freely part it anyhow you want. Okay. You can do side parting, you can do C curve, you can do V parting, you can do center parting. Like basically anything you want, you can do it with this pattern. The same way goes when you want to use it for braided wig. You can part it triangular form, you can part it square form, like anything you want, you can just do it. Then when I'm done with this other side, the right side, coming over to the right left side now, I'm not doing anything different. Just skip your one line, skip one line. Then when you are done, coming again, you have to skip all the lines you ventilated area and vent the ones you skipped. This way, the hairs have to fall in between each other. Like I said, I'm skipping just one hole. That's why the spacing is very full. Okay, there's no more spacing on it. So guys, I'll just continue this way till I'm done, okay, with everything, and that's it. So guys, if you're looking for that ventilation pattern that you can use that will enable you to freely part your closure anyhow you want, or freely part your frontals anyhow you want, even your braided wig, then you should go for this in between line pattern of ventilation. It's very very okay and very very cool, very very natural, very very professional. All right. So guys, for the process, I was able to customize the 2x6 lace closure from my Swiss lace. Please check the last video before this one, or you can check the comment section on the or the description of this video. That's the video for the 2x6 customization process. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye.